Good afternoon, everyone. I'm John Jovanovic, President and Chairman of the Export-Import Bank of the United States. I'm sorry I can't be there with you in person today, but I did not want to miss the opportunity to highlight how much Elk Creek matters to EXIM and America's manufacturing future. I'd like to thank you, Governor Pillen, for your leadership and for headlining today's event. A big thank you to Senator Ricketts as well. Senator, thank you for all of your support of EXIM, for all of your guidance and advice along the way, and for your friendship. Your commitment to Nebraska's workers and American manufacturing renaissance is amazing. Nebraska and EXIM have a long history of working together. For over the past 10 years, EXIM has supported more than 30 businesses across the state, big and small, with over $500 million in financing, helping local companies grow, strengthening supply chains, and supporting jobs from Chapman to Elk Creek. And we're not done. EXIM is committed to being a partner to Nebraska's manufacturers, farmers, and innovators, not just today, but for the long haul. The Elk Creek Minerals Project is exactly the type of opportunity EXIM was always designed to support, advancing U.S. control over the critical minerals essential to aircraft, automobiles, advanced manufacturing, and our broad industrial base. Securing our supply chain is vital to our nation's economic security. Thanks to President Trump's incredible leadership, EXIM is once again a frontline economic tool, strengthening our supply chains, empowering U.S. manufacturers, and ensuring our nation is never dependent on adversaries for resources that power our economy and the world. And that's why we're proud to support Elk Creek. This project means more good jobs in Nebraska, more opportunities for American workers, and a stronger, more secure industrial future for the United States. Thank you for including me today. To Governor Pillen, Senator Ricketts, and the entire Elk Creek community, EXIM is proud to stand with you as you build Nebraska's future. Thank you.